Money is a problem for everybody. Everybody wants to save money. Things are so expensive. Prices keep on increasing and people need to save money. Now, here are some money saving tips for you. You can save money. Let me show you how. So let's save money. And another thing, you can replace toxic cleaning products and save money still and promote better health. Every year, thousands of children end up in hospital because they drank cleaning products. And then we're not even talking about people ending up in hospital because of long-term exposure to the chemicals in cleaning products. Because it can develop in things like diabetes, allergies, asthma, cancer, and so many other diseases because we're exposed to toxins, and the evidence is there that we're exposed to toxins. Save on your monthly expenses and protect your health with non-toxic cleaners. Yes, you can. And the good news, you also save money in the process. Let me give you an example. Here you've got 5 products from a supermarket in South Africa. If you look at this, it's an all-purpose cleaner, a floor cleaner, an oven cleaner, a window cleaner, and a pre-wash. If you buy those in the shop, it costs almost 224 Rand for those 5 bottles. And you only have 3.75 liters of cleaning products. That amounts to about 60 Rand a liter. Like Scrooge would say, humbug. That's a lot of money for cleaning products that's toxic as well. So, here is an example. This is a liter of concentrated, non-toxic cleaner, and it is powerful. Take note that before and after picture there of the paving. You can see the difference. Now this liter is so concentrated, for everyday use, you must dilute it 1 to 10. You will get 22 bottles, spray bottles, 500 milliliters each. 22 bottles. How much would you pay for 22 bottles in the supermarket of cleaning product? Work it out yourself. A lot of money. Okay? But here's the good news. Like I said in the slide before, you can see what those products cost from the shop. Cost you 224 Rand. Okay? Here, this will cost you only 116 Rand. And then you've got equivalent strength product. Same quantity, same equivalent strength, everything for less than 29 Rand per liter. You can see that's about half the price. And it's non-toxic and powerful. Take the other product as an example. Here are 3 products like a bath and shower gel, body wash, okay, dishwashing liquid, dog shampoo. If you add that up, you get 1.65 liters for 234 Rand. Now that is really, really a lot of money. About 142 Rand per liter. And these are toxic as well. Here is an example. A liquid soap that can replace your dishwashing liquid, your dog shampoo, and the body wash. You can even wash your veggies with this. 1 liter bottle must be diluted. It gives you 17 of those small bottles of 350 milliliters in a bottle. How much will that cost you in the shop? Well, those 3 bottles give you far less liters of cleaning product, but for those 3 it's 234 Rand. This product replaces those at a total cost of less than 89 Rand. Total cost, which means about 54 Rand per liter, equivalent strength cleaner. You can save and be healthy. Why not? Why must other people save? Why must other people be healthy? Why not you? Let's take the total picture quickly. Total cost of the supermarket products, 495 Rand. Total cost of the non-toxic products, equivalent strength, everything like that, for only 205 Rand. You save 290 Rand. Then your currency, you can test it yourself, you will get a similar picture if you do this type of exercise. Here's a disinfectant. This one is tested as well, but take note. Dettol in the shops will cost more than 100 Rand a liter in South Africa. Now this one is South African Bureau of Standards tested for equivalent strength, hospital strength, will cost you about 28 Rand a litre. You buy a concentrated bottle, which you have to dilute 1 to 10, that gives you hospital grade strength. If you dilute it like 1 to 30, 1 to 50 type thing, that's the type of strength you use in the home for normal disinfectant purposes. And then it's only a few Rand a litre if you think about it, compared to what Dettol and those things cost. You can save money. Challenge for you. Make your own comparison. And you see that you save when you use our non-toxic cleaning products, the ones that we use and we recommend. You can save. But it's not all. Let's take this example of supplements, because people buy supplements regularly. And they buy the cheapest stuff on the shelf and they think they get value for money. But it very often is more expensive. Let me show you. Here's an example of a CalMag supplement. Most CalMag supplements contain calcium carbonate or dolomite, which absorption rate is something like less than 10%. The calcium is not very well absorbed from those products. If a pill has 100 milligrams of calcium in it, you get less than 10 milligrams of calcium. Shocking. Shocking, eh? So if a pill costs 1 Rand, for example, for one pill, you pay 1 Rand for 10 milligrams of calcium, actually less than 10 milligrams. The brand that we use and recommend, 84% absorption rate. Each tablet, 100 milligrams of calcium. Therefore, you get about 84 milligrams of calcium, but the tablet is about 3 Rand. Now, compare that. You need 10 of the cheap ones to get to one of these that I recommend. That means you have to pay more than 8 Rand for the same amount of calcium. And then we must also consider that, ladies, you need in the vicinity of 1,500 milligrams of calcium, depending on your age and so on. Now, if you take the cheap one, 3 pills, you not even get 30 milligrams. Will that make any difference compared to 1,500 milligrams of calcium? No, you're wasting your money. And also, which one is cheaper now? The cheap one is actually more expensive. Contact us for more information. Also, contact the person that shared this video with you. Get more information for them so you can have a safer life, save money, and protect your family against toxic cleaning products.